This is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2021 Ford Ranger XLT dual cab ute, stock reference number 4663. This shape runs from the 6-month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre, left chrome power door mirror, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Factory fitted sports bar supplied with all fittings. Left-hand tail light, tailgate appears to have no damage. It's got a mint rear bumper, park sensor type, chrome. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory sat nav display screen and head unit. Left hand interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio, lane assist buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.